for bless Uncle bless any movie producer ada ika anu jojo nkonye ba okla hia viaro okla bi won hia viaro no nyi ko ni jojo nya ba e pa hia via gbogbo ba mo jo no wa adeti yo na po social media gidigidi ma je no wa adeti yo na ma kin bless gbogbo mi na mi nya ba nyong via dagare yo ji hanani rent electricity bill agaka onye gamo kona eyi ko spiritually wo attacking ha eye king gazan garan wa fi e do yo kare mane kaka a block here you over the so a choreka video nya yo kata dudum ika anka bless la de domo veviema ika nanama do ajananya eni yo nglo dare social media amaro ko gbogbomba o bless majebo akonu akọ ire social media wa ngoro ya dare social media amaro ko bo wajebo ngoro dadi alaba nyon view pa gbono no ya na mo zamole dan chuom via ama chum wa ba marikado na ko bless na konu akọ ire social media alo na ko ba o ejebo wa amire domo ebe rent ka we e mahana no ebe iko bo ye ba rent ne la plawo ha ega to gboga gbona ye ba ye fa ko ya la suga kopa ejebo ya gbaga renew rent ma tai gado gari o gaba renew haya kala suga ko then the making a block here but you maga have access to it you maga ten yoni how ko ma po nyon via do du clipa bless gbogbo ba do du clipa de e jagbagba e ya make ye kunu e jagbagba wodo aya ko ga ko rura ni o kokko wo fo ngovo o po ba ye na na kama gala nwa ayi va de so a make o po ba nye soldier alo la uniform alo ya ye mala uniform o eta o va do va da mabubwa bless wa jikula domane ala gbogbo mi jagba mia agbo anyare na bless la comment section mia faji na bless la comment section nyon via de nyaka mi pobe yo agbo ne chata do mi ko ga ko ve le screen na ja abane pomne so mi jagba mi adenu mo ne mi akpora bless jago alo nyon via jago alo why is this relationship going akpai mi am popom na hunu ya nyibe as bless jagba konu ya dare social media this lady involved Fifi Ederson, a new young baby who raised go towards her. I think you get a relationship, you must strong this marriage day. I think successful noga. The first day you got married, these messages keep on tripling on Facebook. That's because of what you did at the past. Is this guy this soldier or this police officer, the immigration officer? Oh, this relationship to just go like this. People are saying this relationship will not last because of what happened yesterday. Let's go and watch the videos, some of the comments. So let's watch the comments. Start from here. You are getting married today. Wow, that's beautiful. Everyone will wish you congratulations. And I also wish you same. It is not the same boy I asked you about when we were dating. You said he is nothing to you. You quoted he is like a brother. Everyone wants to know we were dating because you hide the relationship from everyone and let everyone knows I am nothing and can't date you, right? Before you accept my proposal. Were you there alone? Your boyfriend, your friend Roberta was aware or not aware. You let everyone know her as a bad girl so we all can hate her, right? You bill me of sort of things from rent, money. Yeah, starting from here, rent, business, everything. When you attack spirit, when I think you wanted to say when you were attacked spiritually, who did you bill? Any little money I get, you have it in your account. You told me you got job at Aflao, so we need to rent. You got that money within a few days. You later said your previous place at Sugakopai, your bill needed to be renewed. I did that with my poverty money. You later
You let everyone knows we are not dating after draining me down. You just come to ask me who knows I rented for you, and you should someone knows I rent for you. Block me now. Block me out. You block me now. Wow. Because you finish using mission, you finish your mission of draining the poor guy down. I don't wear uniform, right? So you needed someone who wear uniform. Those who will attack me, I'm waiting for you. Ungrateful human being today is ungrateful human being. Today is your wedding day. Wow. All the people you dupe are aware, right? If you talk much, I will offend. If I talk much, I will offend God. Keep in mind the guy you duped and feel he is John and stupid guy is alive, and make sure you live a life well, because the curse all the guys are preparing won't haunt you. It is funny everyone seeing you wearing an immigration uniform. I don't want to talk about that because it is part of you. You can lie more than everyone on this earth. You Ruby, today is your wedding day, right? May God bless you. Bless the union. Okay. I will come back and update our chats here for update. This is bless. This is bless, and this is Ruby. This is the new guy, and this is Ruby. Hey Ruby, Obroni, Obroni, Ahofe, Obakoko, Shet. Do sika nyinaa. So let's get to some of the comments. Let's get to some of the comments. Hmm. Let's go to some of the comments. It's your own fault, yeah. She never introduced as a boyfriend for once, and you said she pretended. No, you rather pretended to see the handwriting. My guy, you are the cause of what happened. If you can, please forgive her to carry on with her life, or just go to church and already end the marriage ceremony. Oh, honey, I don't think Bless can do that. Komala, Bless cannot do that. How on earth will you spend your hard-earned money on a lady you are not legally married to? Oh boy, how? Your mind day. I don't greet. Why can love be that? We can't love be that. We can't love be that. That is what Komla did. Komla, I don't understand why your comments. Oh, how can he go to church and object whilst there is military men, immigration officer over there? Which military officer? You know, see angry civilian before. Oh my God. Charlie, don't come in the big keke. There is no sense in whatever you intend to or doing. Intend doing. Stop this childish attitude. Wow, it's a childish attitude, right? And 51 replies. Let's see. Let's see that. Wow. Let him keep quiet and enjoy the broken heart. Wow. Maybe the lady might do something to hurt you, but should be gently. Does he know how? He's so. Let's try and then you let's go on and have something from here. So as we were going, let's read this one and said, and someone have to buy her my first copy book. Oh Charlie, if you ask somebody to pass through some difficulty, if you sign this exam, yes, we've seen all those things, but you shouldn't diss this guy. My first copy book, I'm not in support of anyone, but talk about what I have seen before. Charlie, I don't want to read more. Maybe I'll Bless will get offended. Please. You see, you just go and read them. can pause and read them. The messages are ciao. Messages stay there. Messages stay there. Message stay there. Ciao. Let's see this one. Movie. Even bless you, a movie director. I think you should use this opportunity. Someone even said you should use this opportunity to write a movie script. So when you write a script out of this, you'll be, who knows, you'll be that movie will be the biggest one to reign. You have 4,300k comments, 737 shares, and 2,100k. So bless. Use this to upgrade yourself on your. You have a YouTube channel. I think this is the time you should upgrade yourself and then let your trend go. I think this will help you so much. Thank you so much, guys. This is what happened yesterday while someone is doing his wedding. Bless is somewhere writing stories about what happened between him and Ruby.
Thank you, and remember to subscribe to Everlove TV. Subscribe and support Everlove TV. That's what we are here to do, so that we can go far and near and bring you all the subsequent stories to you.